Mumzys! Thanks for stopping by on my channel. I'm Mumzy Vany. This is part 2 of our kitchen renovation journey, mga Mumzys. But before that, make sure you have subscribed on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads. This will be another haul, mga Mumzys, for the things that I needed to organize and to arrange our newly renovated kitchen. So without much ado, let's get into it. I am here at All Homes to check some cutlery accessories and iba pang accessories na kailangan natin sa kitchen. So samahan niyo ako, mga Mumzys. Hello Mumzys, you know what? It's so funny because wala akong nabili kanina sa All Homes. So, ang nangyari, I went straight here in SM Downtown Premier. And dito, nabudula naman ako, mga Mumzys. Ang dami akong nabili. But yung hinahanap ko na cutlery organizer, wala. I would prefer siguro I'll check online if meron, or if not, I would ask help from my husband for him to buy na lang yung organizer na yon. So eto, bumili ako ng gongcha. Ayan, gongcha for my drinks. This is taro and Dunkin Donuts Bavarian na munchkins. Ayan. Hello Mumzys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to get our gas stove or gas range, basta yun na yun, na I ordered siguro 2 weeks ago from SM Appliance here at SM City Uptown. So they said they will still do the demo before they can deliver it at home. So I'm so excited because tapos na yung ating kitchen and makokompleto na po ang ating kitchen, of course, with the gas range and the oven. So let's go, mga loves. Alright, so the first item that I have here, mga Mumzys, is called the dish drying mat multi-purpose. It's absorbent microfiber, machine washable, reversible, and fast drying. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, maganda siya. Ayan. Oh, hindi niya ako makita. So it's like beige in color. And at the back is gray, so it says reversible, so that's good. Although our sink has its own drainer already, this is still useful kung hindi kaya ng drainer ng ating sink because the drainer is not that big, so we needed something like this. And the next items are these oven mitts. This is in the brand Hosh, and this is how it looks like. What I like about this, mga Mumzys, is that ganito na siya pag gagamitin nyo. Alright, so para tayong puppet, mga Mumzys. So that's how it looks like, and I bought 2 of these, especially when we are using the oven, diba? So maganda na tong ganito na gamit. Alright, and the other one is the ano ba ito? Pot holder. Nag-iisang red na lang siya, mga Mumzys, because ang natira na lang doon is blue, brown, and gray ata. So, I got it because siya na lang isa. And you know naman na I love red, diba? And the pot holder costs 99.75 pesos also. Okay? The next item is this one. This is the hand towel sets. It's a microfiber set of 6. At ito ay naka-sale. So, ay hindi siya naka-sale, but this is only 100 pesos for 6 microfiber hand towel na mga Mumzys. Okay? Ayan. And another towel is this kitchen towel. It's set of 2. It's 100% cotton. And this one is 99.75. So, we can also use this one to wipe off also the things that we washed. So, yan. Ganyan siya. That's how it looks like, mga Mumzys. Okay? Tapos, yung microfiber towel, this is a good towel to use when wiping off your faucet, diba? Kasi stainless siya. And then, minsan, if hindi mo siya mapunasan agad, nagmamarka yung tubig. So, to maintain the stainless quality of your faucet, you have to wipe it off right away using microfiber towels. So next item here is this multi-purpose oval drain basket, and this is how it looks like. This is also 99.75 mga Mumzys. So we can use this one to drain our vegetables, our fruits, diba? It says there it's made of eco-friendly food-grade polypropylene plastic, comes with detachable basin and drain basket. So, ang hirap. Ang tigas. Okay, ayan. So, na-detach na natin siya, mga Mumzys. I also bought this spoon and fork na set. This is Hosh, and this costs 149.75 pesos each. Okay, so it's a set of 4 since apat naman kami, charot. Okay, and I like the design because yung handle niya may ganyan na design at the tip. So, ayan. And I also bought this organizer. O, diba? Ang ganda ng kanyang design, and yung kulay niya is gray. Okay? Magkano ba to? This is 99.75 each. Okay? And pwede din siya maging drainer. Pwede din siyang maging organizer inside the cabinet. And actually, pwede nyo din siyang, kumbaga, if you have fruits or vegetables that you want to drain. I really love the design. Actually, this will be, I'm thinking of putting this under our sink cabinet. Pero parang nasasayangan ako sa design niya, di ba? Okay. Next is, I bought this spatula and measuring spoons. Then I realized when I started arranging the things, mayroon na pala akong ganito, mga Mumzys. Marami na. I forgot. But anyways, it's better you have kumbaga option or alternate na mga gamit, diba? Anyway, this is only 99.75 pesos. But this is made up of plastic, mga Mumzys. Now, next item naman is this waterproof apron with PVC backing. This is only 79.75 pesos. Now, what I love about these mga Mumzys is waterproof nga siya. So, ano ba namang purpose ng apron natin pag mababasa din tayo, diba? So, very simple lang siya, mga Mumzys. Ayan. And then sa likod, yan yung parang plastic na material niya para hindi tayo mabasa. Okay? Yeah. I also bought this. Ayan, this is called the forged aluminum saucepan with glass lid. And yung brand niya, mga Mumzys, is Neoflam. Ayan. The other cookwares that we have here at home is Tefal and Endo. But I don't have this kind of cookware pa, yung saucepan. This is how it looks like, mga Mumzys. Ayan. Yan siya. Ang ganda, diba? Red yung sa inside niya. Tapos, this is like anti-slip handle. And andyan nakasulat dyan, Neoflam. And what's good about this is it has this induction property. And Ecolon ang kanyang coating. I don't know what it means, but just by looking at this, I think the quality is good. I love the lid, mga Mumzys, because ganda ng kulay niya. This is like a rust orange kind of shade. And ayan. O, diba? ready ng Mumzy yung magluto, mga Mumzy. Okay, we're down to the last few items that I bought, mga Mumzy. So, ito yung isang organizer na binili ko because I cannot find yung organizer talaga na for the spoon and fork or for the cutlery. So what I did, since I found this one, I got 3 of these where I can organize my spoon, fork, and my teaspoon. And this one naman is para yung sa mga yung gamit natin sa pagluto. So I bought 4 of these. And this cost 99 pesos, and this one is about, I think, around 70, basta hindi na to aabot ng 100 pesos, mga Mumzys. So, ayan. And I also bought these containers. This is also Neoflam, yung kanyang brand. Ayan. Wherein I can use this to put my milk or Milo and sugar. I bought 2 of this size and isang maliit, ayan, for my sugar. And what's good about this is stackable siya, mga Mumzys. And when I bought this one, my 20% discount, o diba? This one costs 349.75, yung malaki. Yung yung maliit naman is 279.75 pesos. Next item is this glass organizer. Stainless siya, mga Mumzys. Just put this one outside, wherein yung mga ilalagay ko dito na mga glass or mugs ay yung mga ginagamit daily talaga para hindi ka na bukas ng cabinet kasi minsan hassle din yung ganun, diba? So, last item is this big baskets, big organizers. I got 2 sets of these. Actually, itong isang ganito, isang set na yan, this is only, I think, 250 or 249 pesos. Itong tatlo na to. So, mas makakamura ka when you buy isang set, diba? And yung dalawa nito actually is already inside the cabinet. Naka-organize na siya, mga Mumzys. So that's all for our vlog today. I only needed a few items for the kitchen because marami pa kaming mga things actually na nakatago that were gifts from our wedding pa. So ngayon, finally, I am able to put them in our newly renovated kitchen and I am able to organize them. So finally, magagamit na din namin siya. On my next vlog, I will show you the finished product, kumbaga, or how our kitchen cabinets and our newly renovated kitchen looks like, okay? I hope you find this vlog helpful, mga Mumzys. If you like this video, mga Mumzys, please do give it a thumbs up and comment down below how you organize your kitchen also. I would love to hear your thoughts about it. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads, and I hope to see you on the Mumzy Club. Keep safe always, mga Mumzys. Godspeed.